No way.
A whole shit ton of them. Somebody had babies.
Really?
Yep, a whole school of them over there.
How cool is that?
Right? Someone had babies.
Oh, awesome.
The whole school just went over there. But that's, yeah, that's good because it's food for others.
Yep.
Oh, there goes something. Took off under my feet.
You think it's safe enough to test?
We're good.
Okay.
Cool, eh?
That's awesome. That Makita's so cool. Look how thick that ice is, guys. Yeah.
You can skate this pond, eh?
Yeah, you could. Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. So we're just taking a little bit of a break today and we're coming out to the pond we have out back of our house to see how good the ice is. As you can see here.
About 2.5, 3 inches.
Yeah, it's about 3 inches of ice, so it's pretty thick, but it's only, what, about 4 feet deep here?
Yeah, maybe 3.
Yeah, maybe 3 in our pond. It's not deep at all. It's a project for the future to expand this, but for now it's what we have. And thought we'd scratch a little bit of that ice fishing itch and come out here and take a look. So far there's only been a couple little schools of small fish that we've seen through the ice, but like Paul was pointing out, it's pretty clear and they could probably hear us and see us walking around. Oh really, eh?
Yeah, it just started off this way.
That's neat.
Panner.
Yeah, we have mostly panfish in here. We were fishing it in the springtime and the summertime before the water went too low, and we were getting some perch and just some chub and sunfish. That's about it. Again, it's just the first thing that's frozen, so we want to take a look, see how it was.
There's some.
Yeah, eh?
Yep, little one taking off into the weeds here.
Look who we have coming to see us. Hey guys. Hey guys, are you coming to see? You be careful. You be careful. I know. Paul's seeing a bunch of fish swimming around. I don't think we're going to catch anything today, but it's still nice to just at least get out here and put our feet on some ice. Oh my god, it's been so long. We're now in New Brunswick, so it'll be our first season ice fishing here in New Brunswick. Really excited to see what we find. But turkeys keep following us on the ice. Okay, so we didn't get anything now, but it's a little bit clear on the ice here, and when we walk up we see fish just darting off all over the place, so I think they're just a little spooked right now, but we're gonna pack it on in. It was still fun to get out here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can get a nice fishing video out for you guys sometime soon, but we gotta go deal with these turkeys. They want to be on the ice now. All right, tight lines, everyone. See you on the next one.